In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable split audio, also known as split track recording, in Restream Studio. This feature is a game changer if you're looking to enhance the quality of your streams or recordings by capturing audio on individual tracks. Whether you're hosting a multi-panel interview or a lively group discussion, having separate audio tracks for each participant can make editing a breeze and significantly improve your audience's experience. First, let's dive into Restream Studio. Begin by either creating a new stream or selecting an existing one that features multiple participants or guests. This is where the magic happens, but before we go any further, it's crucial to ensure that your current plan supports split-track recording. Specifically, this feature is available on the Professional plan or higher within Restream. So, make sure your subscription aligns with this requirement to take full advantage of the split audio feature. Once you've verified you have the right plan, it's time to start your stream. If you're not broadcasting live but still want to capture individual audio tracks, simply choose the record-only option. This allows you to harness the benefits of split audio without going live, perfect for projects like podcasts or interviews where you intend to polish audio post-recording. After you've completed your streaming or recording session, it's time to access your audio files. Navigate over to the video storage or recording section within Restream. Here, you'll notice the download options for separate audio tracks for each participant who was a part of the session. This is where split audio becomes incredibly valuable, giving you greater control over your post-production process. Whether you want to adjust individual levels, eliminate background noise, or just have cleaner audio, having separate tracks makes these tasks more manageable. When you're ready, go ahead and download the separate audio files. These can typically be in formats such as WAV or MP3, depending on your preference or requirements. The flexibility of having these options means you can now edit each participant's audio individually, allowing for a polished and professional result. This is particularly useful for situations like podcasts or interviews, where audio clarity and quality can significantly impact your final product. Now you have the tools and the knowledge to not only enable split audio in Restream Studio, but also use it to elevate your content's quality. Remember, the key to an excellent recording isn't just in the capture, but also how you choose to process and edit it for your audience. So, take the time to refine those audio files and create something truly remarkable. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.